Hello everyone, today is Monday, June 6th. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Today we're looking at the opportunities on the E-mini S&P or the micro E-mini S&P, or if you want to look at the NASDAQ, we can as well. But we have a few opportunities, and who says you can't make money as the market goes up or as the market goes down? Because you can, as a futures trader, you can buy the market when it goes up and you can sell the market when it goes down. And therefore, here on the Atlas line, the first signal for today, Monday, June 6th, is 41 quarter. And then all of these other opportunities, the strength trades and the pullback trades that occurred, and it stopped. The market actually went sideways, and there are no other signals here to go long until the market collapsed. And now, as we get into the middle part of the day, the market is beginning to go lower or even sideways. And so what you're seeing here is this opportunity to sell the market as we get into the afternoon. And what we're doing here is following the signals with the Atlas line. Pullback trades, strength trades. The main signal short is what started it off. And it's very simple. The Atlas line is based off of price action, which means we only wait for a signal after the market and these candles have crossed the Atlas line, and therefore we can see the market is now on its way down. Now if it crosses back up, which it could, then we have an opportunity to go long once again. But as we see it here, the market is either going to go sideways or it's going to continue lower. Now this is the E-mini S&P so far for today. If you want to take a look at the NASDAQ should be very similar, so wait until this loads here. On the NASDAQ, we should see a long opportunity right as the market opened in the morning, and then a short opportunity here at about 11:30. And so this is the first signal on the NASDAQ to go long. Once again, the market went up. We have strength and pullback trades to tell us to go long, and then it collapsed, and we have a nice entry here to go short, nice in close to the out sign, which is what we want. As soon as it crosses, we don't want to get in too far away. As soon as it crosses and closes, we're in to go short. And that's what the signal on the software is telling us. And it continued to go lower, strength and pullback trades and so on. So this is the NASDAQ. This is the current conditions here as we speak. And it's about 1 o'clock right now on a Monday afternoon. If you have any questions, you can visit DayTradeToWin.com. Remember to sign up for the new accelerated mentorship class, which includes the Atlas line and all the other software, Trade Scalper, At the Open, Blueprint, Roadmap. It's all included with the accelerated mentorship class. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.